Hello, beautiful souls. Today, we are exploring the magical energy of the November 22nd manifestation portal and how you can use it to transform your life. This date isn't just another day on the calendar, it's a cosmic gateway filled with amplified universal energy, offering you the perfect opportunity to align with your higher self and manifest your deepest desires faster than ever. If you're ready to step into your power and co create with the universe, I'll guide you through a powerful manifestation ritual specifically designed for this unique portal. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why the steps are performed in a specific order and how each one works to connect you with the universe. Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss content on manifestation, spirituality, and self discovery. Let's dive in. What makes 11/22 so powerful? The numbers 11 and 22 are known as master numbers in numerology. These numbers are highly spiritual and serve as a bridge between the earthly and divine realms. Think of them as a special phone number that directly connects you to the universe. The November 22nd portal is like a cosmic holiday, a time when the veil between the material and spiritual worlds is thin. This means your intentions, desires, and emotions are magnified. On this day, the universe's energy is stronger, clearer, and more willing to work with you to create your dreams. Manifestation ritual for the November 22nd portal. This ritual involves three powerful steps that will align your energy with the universe and help you manifest your desires quickly. It's best to do this ritual at 11:22 a.m. or 11:22 p.m., but any time during the day will work as long as you set your intentions clearly. Step 1: Conscious breathing meditation. We begin with a 5-minute meditation to calm your mind, center your energy, and prepare you for the manifestation process. Here's why. Conscious breathing helps you let go of negativity, quiets the mind, and opens the channel for universal guidance. When you breathe deeply and intentionally, you align with the present moment, the only moment where creation happens. How to do it? Find a quiet place and sit comfortably. Close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Hold your breath for a few seconds and silently say the Ho'oponopono prayer in your mind. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Exhale slowly and completely through your mouth. Repeat this cycle for 5 minutes. This meditation will clear your mind of distractions and create space for your intentions. You'll feel grounded, connected, and ready for the next steps. Step 2: Writing your manifestations. Next, you'll write down 11 goals or desires that you want to manifest over the next 11 months. The act of writing helps solidify your intentions and signals to the universe that you're serious about your dreams. How to do it? Take a piece of paper and write each goal in the present tense as if it's already achieved. Example: instead of saying, I want a new job, write, I am thriving in my dream job, earning the salary I desire, and feeling fulfilled. Be as specific as possible and feel the emotions of already having these things in your life. Why this works? Writing in the present tense and attaching emotions to your goals raises your vibration. The universe matches your energy and works to bring your desires into reality. Step 3: Expressing gratitude. Gratitude is the ultimate manifestation amplifier. By showing appreciation for what you already have, you tell the universe, I love the abundance in my life and I'm ready for more. How to do it? On a second piece of paper, Write down 22 things you are genuinely grateful for. These can include people, experiences, opportunities, or even simple things like the air you breathe or the roof over your head. As you write, take a moment to truly feel the gratitude in your heart. Why this works? Gratitude shifts your focus to abundance, which attracts even more abundance into your life. It raises your vibration and aligns you with the frequency of receiving. Step 4, burning the papers. Finally, we let go of our intentions and gratitude by burning the papers. This step is symbolic. It represents releasing your desires to the universe and trusting that they'll be fulfilled. How to do it? Find a safe place to burn your papers, such as a fireproof bowl or outdoors. Light the papers one at a time and watch as the smoke carries your intentions and gratitude into the universe. Why this works? By burning the papers, you're releasing attachment to the outcome. This shows the universe that you trust its timing and plan. When you let go, you allow the energy to flow freely, making manifestation even faster. Why this ritual works? Each step of this ritual is designed to align your energy with the universe. Meditation clears negativity and prepares your mind. Writing your goals creates clarity and sets your intentions. Gratitude raises your vibration to match abundance. Burning the papers releases attachment and allows the universe to work its magic. Thank you so much for joining me in this journey through the 1122 manifestation portal. I hope this ritual helps you connect with the universe and manifest the life of your dreams. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on spirituality and manifestation. Wishing you love, light, and limitless abundance.